Right, back here at Snowdonia Antiques, and here's a clock completely stripped down. This is the Watkin Owen of Llanrwst longcase clock, dating to roughly about 1790, 1795. Nice clock, to be honest with you, but all this needs to be redone. All these glue lines need to be taken off, and any of the parts that are missing or completely chewed up, like this bottom section here, they have to be replaced. Any patches need putting in, any mouldings need making. Here's the sides. Remember I was telling you about the pine side? There you go, wonderful. And there is the back, and the back will have to be replaced with a nice early back that we took out of another clock. Here are the sides of the case. This is where the door goes. There's the door. And the ultimate flat pack. We're progressing. Right, I'll speak to you soon. If you like what we do, tick the like box, share it, and you can follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, all the rest of the rubbish, Instagram, you name it, whatever it is, we've got it. And you can look at our website, snowdoniaantiques.co.uk, or ask us any questions at snowdoniaantiques@gmail.com. Thanks once again.